Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm at the Japanese garden. Let's go take a look at it. It's in Margaret Park, but it's called the Japanese Garden, and it was on that list of 100 plus things to do in Budapest, and it looks like they're cleaning it now. Cute little benches. Oh, maybe the little bridge and the flowers and the statue. Are there fish in here? Let's see here. I'll go this way. I guess the bridge looks pretty Japanese, but I've been to Japan, so what's this way? Is it a walkway? I guess it is. Huh. Cute. Watch your head. Ugh. Well, that's really pretty. Wow. Cute. Okay. What's on the other side? I guess. How big is this? I guess it can't be too big. You know, little, what are the water lilies? But what are the, I mean, you can see that little pink one is really pretty, and the little yellow ones are pretty too. Oh, and there are fish, koi in here. Neat, neat. Huh. And a duck on the girl. Good morning. Wah, wah, wah. Good morning. All right, everybody. The Japanese garden in Budapest, Hungary. Very cool. They take pretty good care of it. Okay, everybody. I'm moving on. Bye-bye.